Hello, welcome back to Ignition B Driving School. This is the place where you can learn to drive from zero to hero. And for of you who's not in Bali and you watching this video, we would like to say greetings from Bali, Indonesia. In this video now, we're gonna show you how to drive the manual car. It's easy. As long as you can count 1, 2, 3, then we believe you can drive the manual car. Let's start from the pedal first. This is accelerator. This one is the brake pedal. This one is the clutch pedal. I repeat, accelerator or throttle. This is the brake pedal and this is the clutch. So we have 3 pedals now. Okay, you use your right foot to press the brake pedal or the accelerator. Okay, right foot is for brake or accelerator. The brake or accelerator. And then you can anchor down your heels on the floor to operate those pedals easier. Your left foot only used for the clutch pedal. Okay, so accelerator, brake, and this is the clutch pedal. Okay, that's a good question. So clutch is a device which connects the engine and the transmission. The engine produces rotational energy, and if you release the clutch pedal, the clutch will distribute the rotational energy from the engine to the transmission. I will show you a quick video on how the clutch is operated by the clutch pedal. Let's see at this video. The left side is the rotating engine and the transmission on the right side. And the one in the red circle is the clutch actuator connected to the clutch pedal. Now let's spin the engine. This is what happens when the clutch is pressed, when the clutch is released, and clutch pedal pressed, clutch pedal released. Now you see that the gear is spinning, the gear connected to the wheels. Let's see from the inside. The clutch pedal press, actuator press, and the gear is stopped. You start to release the clutch pedal and the gear starts to spin back. So press is disconnect, then release is to reconnect. The thing is, you cannot just dump the clutch pedal to launch the car. You need to reduce the clutch pressure slowly. Now let's try to launch this manual car. First, you need to press the clutch pedal, put the gear into the first gear, and reduce the clutch super slowly. Okay, let's try. So first step, press the clutch and hold it. Second step, slide the gear into first gear. And then third, reduce the clutch slowly and hold, slowly and hold, slowly and hold, slowly and hold, until the car starts to roll slowly. Once the car's rolling, then you can release your left foot from the clutch pedal and rest your left foot on the floor. We call this technique half clutch technique. It's very basic, but also at the same time, it's very advanced. Shifting is changing gear inside the transmission. This is the shifter, or the stick. It shows you number and lines. This is the first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, or here is the reverse gear. The car will go backwards. The horizontal lines here is the neutral. If you can wiggle the stick here and there, means the car is in neutral. If the shifter able to wiggle this much, this is neutral, the car doesn't go anywhere. And then, to go to first gear, you go left and up. Okay, let's try this again. From neutral, you need to slide left and up. Let's see. So neutral, and then to go first gear, we're gonna slide left and up. That's the first gear. To go to second gear, hold the shifter to the left side and pull it down. That's second gear. And to go to third, you push a little bit to neutral and just push straight up. That is the third gear. And when you stop the car on third gear, you need to go back to the first gear to launch the car properly. That's first gear. Now let's start all over. Okay, from stop, we press the clutch, first gear, half clutch it, half clutch. Let the car start to roll slowly and release the clutch and press the accelerator. To shift, you press the clutch, slide to second gear, and release the clutch a little bit faster than before. It's fine. Press the accelerator. Then press the clutch, you slide into third gear, then you release the clutch again. Not too fast, but not too slow. And press the accelerator again. And all you need to do is just cruising down the road until you need to stop. Good. Now we know how to launch the car. We know how to shift. We know how to drive. Right, left. Don't drive too fast, especially on a narrow road. Now we need to learn how to brake. To brake, it's easy. So you use your right foot to tap the brake pedal slowly, 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 and press the clutch before the car completes stop. Then, so release the accelerator. Put your right foot above the brake, press the brake slowly, slowly, and press the clutch before it stops. Okay, what to avoid to do in a manual transmission car? Most of the time, you're gonna play with the clutch as a game. So try to avoid dumping the clutch pedal like this, or kicking the clutch pedal, or I don't know what the other language is, throwing the clutch pedal, or just releasing the clutch pedal like this. If you do it on the first gear, it will stall the car. So you need to restart the engine and restart the process. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. It's an instructional video. If you need to learn to drive a car, please do it in a safe environment and with a certified instructor to guide you. Feel free to ask any question. If you are in Bali, you can just simply visit us. For those of you not in Bali, please make appointment first before you come to Bali. Learn with us is fun. Thank you very much and see you on other video. Ciao ciao.